Welcome to Emma 3D English! Let's learn English together!
I'm so glad we're all here together.
Me too, it feels just right. Yeah, I've been looking forward to this.
Me too. It's so nice to catch up. I love you all. Maybe I left it here?
No, I didn't.
Harry, give me your phone.
No, Mom, this is mine.
Lily, help me find my phone. Wait, one more picture. I can't find it anywhere.
What are you looking for, Emma? Mom, did you check your purse?
We'll help you find it. I already looked everywhere.
Let's look together. Day. Try living without it today.
Without phone? Really? You can do it, Emma. Okay, I will try.
That's the spirit, Emma.
All right, breakfast time.
This feels different.
But nice. We are actually talking.
Yes, real humans.
Exactly. That's so funny, David.
Real humans, for sure.
Fresh air feels amazing. Mom, you look happier. Maybe I needed this.
We all did.
Let's play together!
This is so much fun. I haven't laughed like this in years. Best day without phone. Best day without phone. Oh, here it is. I don't need it right now. Maybe just one check?
Everything okay?
Just work. You're always on that thing. So many messages.
Wait. Just 1 minute.
Just a second.
Emma, are you listening? Come on, put the phone down.
We just want to talk. In a minute.
She's not even here. Emma? Emma, please put the phone down.
Just one more minute. Oh, I did it again. you were happier before. I'm sorry. No more phone.
Good call, Emma. Whoa, really?
I'm so glad.
That's better.
We love you. I love you too. We love you, Mom.
This is what family is all about. Love you, Mom.
I love these moments. Me too, honey.
Best part of the day. Group hug success. Phones erase are dangerous. It's dangerous.
I can't believe you actually did that. He really did. It was hilarious. Hey, I had to do something.
Classic. You never disappoint.
Oh, stop. You're killing me.
You know, moments like these, they make everything worthwhile. I couldn't agree more.
Let's never forget days like today. This feels better.
In a world of endless scrolling, don't forget to choose real life. Step outside, breathe it in.
Morning, Emma.
Good morning.
Morning, everyone.
Wayne said, not today.
Let's cook together! Come on, let's go to the kitchen! Okay, let's get started. Yes, Mom!
No phones allowed.
No running in the kitchen.
All but why?
Because you might knock something over.
Exactly, it's a new rule.
Best rule ever.
We're glad you think so. Let's make this together.
I want to stir! Pass me the tomatoes.
This is going to be delicious.
Best family cooking ever.
This is real happiness. Dinner's almost ready. Just finishing the sauce.
It smells so good.
Let's eat, everyone.
Here you go, sweetie. Thanks, Mom. This is nice.
We should got this at they. The dicey. I forget it. Yes, no phones day.
Deal.
Yes.
That's the spirit.
I choose family. What a beautiful evening.
I love sunsets.
It's perfect for a family walk.
I love these moments.
Me too. Family is the best.
Spending time with family is so special.
Yes, I love our walks together.
These moments help us learn and grow.
Let's learn English with stories every day. If you enjoyed this, please like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.
Join Emma 3D English. Like, subscribe, and learn English with us.